Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, and today, man, we back with another video, man. Today I'm gonna try to wire up this electric fan to my BMW E36. I've been watching a few videos online, so I got like a few instructions from one YouTuber. I'm gonna shout them out right now, cause yeah. I was trying to figure it out on my own, and I'm just like, everybody has so many different ways to wire this thing up. So I kind of like the way he was instructing it. I guess his name is J Speed Racing. That's the video I'm using. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, J Speed Racing. And
30 in there. Correct me if
this is what he got me looking at, man.
Red coming out of the relay goes to the red on the back of the fan. As it comes off here, there's a little quick disconnect. That red right there runs to this big mess that goes into the relay down there. The black coming off of the fan goes to a ground. Right there on the chassis itself. So that is all the wiring on this kit. Hopefully this works. I'm gonna go and throw everything back.
Yeah, just a little snippet of it, man. Yeah, man, that's what I might have followed his advice and his guidance on this. So shout out to you if it work. If it don't work, then we back to square one, man. So yeah, man, that's what we doing on this video today, man. And I also got my coolant reservoir in today, man. So we about to check that out right now too. Matter of fact, let's check that out right now. Let me pull that out the box and show you guys what we got. Sorry, man, this is what we got right here. We got the Mishimoto coolant expansion tank. I always love their packaging, man. This thing is like so high quality packaging, man. Little air freshener that always comes with. Man, this thing looks so beautiful, man. So beautiful. Damn, this is it right here, man. The little expansion tank we've been waiting on. All aluminum. It's black. Thing is badass too, man. Got a the coolant cap. This is your level sensor. I mean your level level check. Yep, so it's finally in, man. I finally got it, man. Let's install it. Actually, no, let's do the wiring first. Then we gonna get back to this later, man. Cause my mind's already on this wiring. I just want to show you guys that real quick. So yeah, looking at the video, I had bought a kit on Amazon for the relays and wiring and all that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Wire all this up, man. Just like that video, I'm just gonna follow his guidance on it and test it and make sure it works, and then we go from there. I'm gonna cut this camera on a little bit. Yeah, kind of just, I don't know if it's gonna work, so that's why I don't want to record it. So I'm just gonna do all my testing and I'm gonna do all the wiring and like troubleshooting off camera, and then I'll turn it on once I know that the setup is good to go. Then I'll let you guys know how everything is ran and how everything's gonna work. So I'm gonna cut this on in a little bit. Sorry guys, I removed this cover from my positive jump post, and I'm gonna tap into one of these connectors back here for my power wire. The constant 12 volt power, which is yellow wire from the relay. I'm just gonna tap into that. Alright guys, I found a ground wire right here. It's a little stud that I was able to tap into, so that's what I'm gonna put my ground wire for my fan. This is the ground wire that's gonna be for the fan, for the connectors. This is where the power wire is gonna be too. Alright guys, so this is the temp sensor that goes to the radiator right here. I'm gonna solder these two wires to this orange wires. It's the black and green and the black and gray wire. I'm gonna solder them together. Then the gray wire from the relay is ground, so it goes to this brown wire. So yeah, I'm gonna solder those together and put some electrical tape. I think everything should be wired up now. So let me solder them together, and then I'll put the battery on and see if we got the fan working. Wish me luck. All right, guys, I finished all my wiring. I gotta get a connector bud for this, but for right now, I'm gonna run it like this. Got electrical tape kind of protecting the contacts. So I got my ground wire, ran to my ground wire, my ground wire for the relay, ran to the ground wire for the coolant temp sensor, and I got these two wires ran to my power wire or signal wire. So once the PCM sees the temps are getting high from the sensor, it should activate the relay to cut on the fan. So yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. Now I'm going to install my Mishimoto expansion tank and see how it plugs in. Alright guys, so we got the expansion tank installed. I topped off the fluid, pulled out the fluid. It installed pretty good, pretty easy. Got a metal cap now. So I had to move my 5 Series out the way so now I can back this car out and start it up and see how it works, man. Alright, so let me start it up and move it outside and see if I can get the fans to cut on. So, alright guys, we got the car outside now. And it looks like the fans are already running. It's not even, it's already on. Yeah, the fans are running. Definitely running right now. So shout out to Jay Speeding. I have to go look at the name. In fact, let me look at it real quick, man. So shout out to him, man. He gave me pretty good guidance on that. Jay Speeding Racing. Shout out to his YouTube channel, man. Yeah, he gave me some good guidance on wiring up the fans and stuff. Yeah, right now it's running. I like the fact that it's already on, you know what I mean? I feel like it should warm up first before it cut on. But yeah, I think we're good to go now. I don't think we have any concerns about overheating, man. So man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, man. I have a few project cars, a few BMWs, and I'm a car guy just like you, man, if you're checking out this video. And yeah, man, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, man. So subscribe to the channel and leave a big fat like on this video if you enjoy the content, man. All right, we in the car now. The temperature gauge is not all the way up yet. I'm gonna try to get it up to temp. The fan's already on. I don't like that, you know what I mean? But I mean, I guess that's how it's wired up. See if it's something to do with the pulleys or something. Well, yeah, man, it's K510 Automotive Group, man. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel, man. Remember, it's K510, so if you can make 5, you can make 10. Keep going up. Peace.